sign up for OnlyFans. So if you want to sign up for OnlyFans, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and after that, go with your search. Under search, you need to search for OnlyFans. After searching, now you need to go with onlyfans.com, and here it will take you to the login or create page. So if you want to create, then you can just go with sign up for OnlyFans, which is right here, and you can create your account. So first you need to enter your name. After that, you need to enter your email address and you need to create your password. Make sure that you've created a strong password. And after entering all of the information, you need to go with sign up. Once you click on sign up, your account has been created. Now you can go with verify email and you'll be able to verify your email. And after verifying your email, you'll be able to use your account. So that's how you can create your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.